Once upon a time, in a far-off land, there lived a small, unassuming bird named Auk. Auk was unlike any other bird in the realm, for he had the ability to sing notes of unparalleled beauty and harmony. However, Auk was shy and modest, and he rarely showed off his talents in public. One day, a grand festival was held in the kingdom to celebrate the arrival of spring. All the birds were invited to take part in a grand singing competition. Auk, feeling a pang of pride, decided to participate, but he was filled with doubt and fear. As the day of the competition approached, Auk's anxiety grew. He spent his days practicing with all his might, but he could not shake the feeling that he was not good enough to compete against the others. On the day of the competition, Auk took his place on the stage, feeling small and insignificant among the flashy and boisterous birds. They each sang their songs, their voices ringing out across the land. When it was Auk's turn, he took a deep breath and began to sing. His voice was soft, but it was pure and filled with emotion. The crowd fell silent as they listened, mesmerized by the beauty of the song. The other birds, who had been boasting and showing off, stood in awe as they realized that Auk's song was unlike any they had ever heard. It was simple, yet profound, and it spoke to the very heart of the listener. In the end, Auk was declared the winner of the competition. The crowd erupted in applause, and Auk was carried aloft on their shoulders. He had proven that even the smallest and most unassuming among us can achieve greatness if we simply believe in ourselves. From that day on, Auk was no longer unassuming. He learned that it is not our size or appearance that determines our worth, but the strength of our character and the beauty of our hearts. Auk's song continued to ring out across the land, a reminder that sometimes the most powerful and beautiful things come in the smallest of packages.